are going to Warwick Castle today. Yahoo! Okay, we're just walking in right now. See the castle. The opening entrance. Basically. Yeah, we're going. Look. I'm gonna show them. Look, I'll show you, but shoot, this isn't the way in, I'm sorry. I'm just showing you. That's the big castle. Yeah, I'm gonna do. Okay, time to go. Sorry, it's really hot. It's my first walk today. Woohoo! Yeah, let's go, man. But let's just have a quick look at the map. Been here a few times before. I live here. I live in Castle.
What are you doing?
Yeah, that's the map. Yeah, let's go. We're just going in. Sometimes they don't have the bag checkers. It's supposed to be right there. Yeah. We're in a queue. Still going. Opening hours. That is unlike. I did not know you guys how was that. Let's go. I'm waiting. It's waiting time. It's waiting.
Hi guys, you got tickets for me? Oh, you got your passes, yeah? You sure she can look out?
It just.
Yeah, that's fine.
It's coming
I just
in
need
right
to scan all your passes.
And I need to look in your bags.
Just going.
Backpacks.
We got a backpack.
Yeah, just pop that on the table.
I'm making a YouTube video.
That's lovely.
I'm making a YouTube video.
Are you? Yeah.
Yeah, my first ever video.
I watch YouTube.
This is my first video.
You got your...
Sorry guys.
What name will it be under?
Enjoy your afternoon.
It'll be under Charlotte's story.
Right, I'll have a look for that. That's fine. You've got no knives and forks in there.
No knives and forks, but we did just go to lunch.
Did you? Where did you go for lunch?
To the Weatherspoons.
Right, yes. Right.
Yeah, we're going. I think we're going in. We're going in, Dad.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going in.
Have you had a map and what's happening?
Yeah, we know. Okay, time to go. We're going to the park first. Now, just to tell everybody who's watching at home. Yeah, everyone watching at home. That. That's the castle. So for everyone who's watching at home, this is Charlotte's Story Explosion. Want to look it up? The first episode. Woohoo! First anniversary with that Warwick Castle, and we're going into the Zog playground. Now Zog is very important to Warwick Castle, so we're going into a playground of Zog. It's a Zog Adventure World. I call it Zog Adventure. And by the way, probably in a few videos time, we will be going on our biggest adventure. Okay. Hey Dad, can I have my coat? Okay, I'll just get my coat. Yeah. I have it. I'm just gonna get my coat so I can slide down a west.
Oh, hang on, sweet pea. There's a big puddle at the bottom.
I know. Okay.
Well, it might be all right. Well, yeah,
I'm sitting on my coat. Yeah. Okay, we can't go down that side because it's too wet. My father said I'm not going on my coat. He's angry. It's just... Yeah, so let's go! Sorry, I can't trim my thing. Please be aware. Surface, please walk. Okay. We're at Warwick Castle today and we're in the Zog Adventure now. Let's go! I'm on the obstacle course right now. Loads of people here. Ah! Whoa! I'm on the really hard thing. It's hard to hold the camera stick. And okay, time to go on the stone. Oh, it's market. It's market. Okay, time to solution for mermaids. Dragon burn cream, wing repair kit, spare unicorn home, plaster. Yeah, that's boring. Yeah, let's go up. Let's print some spell here. Just spell. And this is a Ethan! Let's go. What's a bit funny down? Oh yeah, this is another thing. Yep, it works. Let's try. Ah, dang it. I'm not good at it. Yeah, let's go down the side. Still got a lot to adventure around. He's coming. Ah! Dang it. That was bad. Let's try this one. I'm going to ask my parents if I can go down the big ones. Yeah, that one. Like that. Where's Mum and Dad? Can I go on the big slide? Okay, going on the big slide. It's gonna be so fun. I haven't been down it for a long time. Yeah, sorry. My voice is very... Excuse me. Okay. Look. Got it. There's the last ones. Okay, let's try this. Oh, no. Stop! Ah! Oh my God. Too much. Go around here. Now this is like a cool thing to do. Look at that. It's amazing. Yeah, let's go on it. Now they've changed it. It used to be string. This used to be string. Sorry. I'm going to take you to Amaze in a second. Yeah, let's try this swing. Ow. Let's go. I'm supposed to be singing See at the back, but no, I'm singing on the back. Dad, come on. We need to go higher for the vloggers. And today, we're going to watch Zog flying up and down from here. Wow. Ah! That's so cool. Ah! Ah! I'm going to show them the little clip in here. Let's watch it. Ow. Ah, come on. Excuse me. Sorry. Come. Mommy, come.
I can't come in there. You know, let's keep going.
Okay, it's going to stop.
No, it's a movie.
I know, but the movie will be on forever. So let's go see some stuff.
Fine. Okay. Watch a movie. Watch a movie. I'm gonna go out. Let's go. Should we go to the maze now? Hey, we're going to the maze now.
Alright, boss. Come on.
Time to go to the maze. Okay, guys, we're about to get to the maze. Just needed a little pause because my mom said so break it up into little videos. And yeah, she's bad. Oh my god, it's right from my parents. Right, look, Radis. Like, Gallas. Yeah, he's just. There's a lot of cool things in this maze. Hey, Mom, Dad, we're going into the maze. I started a new video. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah. My first video, yay! Okay, should we do the challenge or not a challenge? I think I heard a challenge. Let's get a challenge. The card. Okay, it says pick up your time passport here. What's your time passport? Let's get a time passport. It's a little challenge. Ah! It's not like passport. Ah, let's go. I got my time. It's horrible history. Get lost in time. No. Wanted. Or messing up.
The Normans and the Vikings and the Stuarts and the First World War.
So this is so freaky. Let's go. Which way? I'm gonna go this way. I know. Rat has jumbled up time. No. Let's check. Hey guys. Mom, can you hold it? Okay.
Oh.
Go this way. This way. Down. Up. And then jump. Okay. We're here. What? So I found it. Let's slime this to it.
Always a stamp, bud.
I need to do another stamp.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got it. Guys, we got it. Hello. Nothing happened.
That's an amazing fact there.
Oh, did you know? Read it. Read one.
The gunpowder plots. 2 were blinded by their own gun.
Come on. No, we got lost.
Oh, this one.
We're going in jail, guys. We're going in jail. We're lost in jail. Let's get out. Oh, look. There's Radis. Let's make him the normal rat so we can find him. Hey. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, this is. Let's go with this one.
Did you know there was...
Oh, vicious Vikings. Oh, there's a stamp, guys.
This one doesn't, you're right. This one doesn't break.
Joe, you stay there, guys. Vicious Vikings. Okay, guys, we're doing the Vicious Viking. Vicious Viking. Vicious Viking gets found, guys.
Mommy, you have to do that one.
I don't know.
Let me hold your sword. Let me hold your sword. Oh, I don't want you falling in that.
Hey, guys, we got it. Bye. So, guys, let's follow the steppings. Doop, be-do-do, be-do-do.
Willow, one more, Willow. One more stamp.
I found it. Yes.
Oh, yeah. Guys, look at this. Looks fun. We are in a cage. Seriously. Dude, see? Look, we're in a brick cage. Okay, time to go. Sorry if we have to stop. That's it. No coasters and to buy. What up?
How many we got left to go?
Hey, can we swap, Mum, with the camera?
Well, move out the way, Charlotte.
Come on. Let's go this way.
You're so cruel. I've got to hand it to you.
Things highway, something. I don't know. This way. Okay, I think we go this way, guys. I think we're lost. Excuse me. Yes. Remember, there used to be chunk by here. Memory of the Warwick men and women who gave their lives in the First World War. Yep, let's go. Now, what the chocolate? Look, chocolate. During the First World War, gifts of chocolate were sent to soldiers to help keep wartime spirits high. Taster than terrible tea. Oh, look! Ah! Someone knocked the phone up. Okay, let's go. I'm fine. Oh, yes. Come on, guys. Let's go in a war zone. Look at my hand. Oh. Come on. I'm not hanging. Back there.
I'm bored. I want to pull the lever. When you pull the lever, it makes you go to a different type. And we're not going to
That's Norman. Nestle Middle Ages. Royal Victorians.
Should we pull the lever?
Right first. Okay, Dad, there's a snap there. Let's go.
If you go down that way, there's the World War
What?
tunnel that you go through.
Time
No,
to
the long one.
let's go down here. Let's go. Let's go down. Oh, look at tunnel. Right far. Woo! You are people witnessing forever. Ow, ow, ow. I hope you guys could see that. And I hope you guys could see that too.
This way, please.
Wicked.
Was made up in a local Warwickshire pub, the Tipperary Inn.
Come, let's go this way, guys. I hope we're almost there. Nasty Norland. Ah ha ha! Cheating. We cheated. Yeah, we just cheated. No. Oh no. Oh, through this. We run to... Hey. Well, this is kind of cozy.
If you're so wise, then how come you're a win?
Oh, let's try and pull those. Oh, that's disgusting, ain't it, guys? Yo, Mom, look at this. Mom, look at this. It looks just. Mom, come and look in here in this pot. Look how gross that looks.
Oh, gross of that.
I can't open this chest for some reason. It's chest. A book.
So this is the poison
Book.
garden.
Poison garden, beware. Okay. I think I found the way out. Guys, I think I found. Ooh, what's that? Protruding. Smell it. No, let's smell it. Smell it. Smell it.
Polly,
Smell it.
don't sniff for too long, you might turn into a rat, it says. Or witch's concoction.
I like that.
It's not bewitching.
Dad, smell it.
Heavy.
Quite nice.
Let me smell it. I don't like it. They poisoned me. I think I found the way out. Oh, I hope I found the way out. I think I found the way out. Guys! We found it. That's a boring way.
Thanks to that.
This is a fun way.
You haven't seen it, have you?
Let's go.
Wow, that's it. We've won. History's back in order.
Sorry.
And Lattice is back in his cage. Well done, everyone.
I'm stuck, guys. Next solution.
Wow.
And we're out. Look. It's Radis. Back in his jail, so come on, guys.
So, look at the crocus, see the purple flowers come out.
Oh, look how pretty that is. We'll be back entering the castle. We're entering like the real castle. We just ran the maze of the playground. That's not even the interesting bit. Oh, this is the fun bit. What? Princess towels and everything here. Creepy. So many creepy things in here. There is dungeons. Not old enough. Wish. Oh, it's 10. Oh. Look how long the line is to the castle dungeon. Can we go into the gift shop?
Where is Callum?
Can we go into the gift shop? I think we're going to. Shall we go into the gift shop, guys? I think that was a yes. I think we should get something from the gift shop. Hopefully my parents will be.
Only one person could take off.
Okay. Ooh, what this one? What this at home? What this? And I've got it. No. These are the things I have. I don't have this. It's cool. Can I have a one now? Yeah, fair. Dad. Hey! Dad! Dad!
Rad Dad. Dad's rad.
Let's look. Wow. So much tansy. That's so fun.
Daddy will take it off on me, please.
Asher, come on.
Asher, we're going now.
That's here. Pick up. Oh my God. Okay. Oh. Nah. Oh, that's England flags. Excuse me. Oh, now look at this thing. What did you see? Right, Dad. Hey, Mum, can we have this? Okay, we're not allowed. Mini soap. Hey, both. Yeah. Ooh, look at Stick Man. Oh, this is nice. Oh, Warwick Castle. Let's go. Let's look around. Oh, I know where we can go, guys. Okay, we're going into this area, which I don't know the name of. Yeah? Jail.
There's a little jail.
We go in there. Let's go. This way in here. Let's look in here. This is a jail, I think. My dad said it. Ooh, it's hard to get in. Oh, just smell that.
Be careful with your phone.
Ah. Scary. I do not know what to show.
Daisy, this is also a bit
So this is the jail.
Might have been quite a dungeon. You're a prisoner, and this is where you live.
Is this the dungeon?
Yeah, this is where prisoners.
Not the dungeon, but the jail.
Well, the same.
Well, same thing.
Yeah, but is
The
it?
dungeon where people jump out.
No.
Okay. Oh, look at this. This. We need lighting. It's really dark in here. Okay. Oh, look at that, guys. That looks better. Ooh. Let's go. Let's go upstairs. Come on, guys. We fell back, guys. Yay, light. Let's turn the sun's on. Get into the sun. Oh, yay, the sun. Finally, guys, let's see the sun. This is a door. Yeah, probably noticed. Ooh. Use this chain to get up. Finally. Come on, let's go this way.
Streets in a bit.
No entry.
Come on, guys. Let's go down here. guys, we're going to the Princess Tower now. So, yeah. Oh, we're going to go in. Let's go! Here you go. Yeah. Come on, let's go, guys. Hi. I want to say hi to my vlog. Hi. We're at the Princess Tower now, and we're going to go in a second. See you later.
Some help solving a magical riddle. Do you all think you can help her?
Yay!
Wonderful. Hello, Your Majesties. This is a big shout out to Charlotte's Story Explosion from Warwick Castle's Princess Tower.
Thank you. Thank you. To go to the Time Tower. It's going to be so exciting. Kids under 3. Please are going. If they want to be playing up, they can. And my friends up here. She can stay. She wants. Yeah. Oh, and by the way, no shout out to my friend Sophia too. We're going into the Time Tower. Yeah. Yes. Mom.
Greetings, warriors. I am Princess Ethelfleda.
Hey everybody, it's me Charlotte again, and Connie! We're at Warwick Castle again. Okay.
We also have my friend Ivy.
Yes.
She's like saying anything
She's
in the
back.
video right now.
She's back there.
Wait,
She's behind us.
why am I speaking in American?
Connie, stop speaking in American. Why do you always speak in American? Wait, I always speak in American. Why do I always speak in American? Sorry. Sorry about that.
Yeah, we're gonna.
We're going back to the Zorg playground. This is the exact same day, but a different video. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Round of applause. Blah, 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 blah. Movie. It's movie time. Let's see the movie. Ow, again. Ouch, again. Yeah. Look. It's already been. Good about the great. Time to go up. Connie.
Really sorry about that. Like,
Sorry.
that thing where I fell.
We went crazy. We were trying to find Ivy. Okay. It's time to go. There's 2 princess pals here. There's 2 princess pals. Hi.
There's a skeleton.
Oh my god! A little help here. Help.
Oh, you got your shoe. You got your
scared.
skeleton. Oh my gosh, where am I? Where's my shoe? Okay.
Evan! I'm not catching your face. I'm not catching your face. What does this button do? Let's press it. 3. Let's press it at the same time. 3, 2, 1.
I put it on you.
Guys, this is so hilarious. Look, bum, shuffle, bum, shuffle, bum, shuffle, bum, shuffle, bum, shuffle, bum, shuffle, bum, shuffle. This is so crazy. Look, guys, excuse me. It has been crazy here at some park.